Hello everyone.
My name is Roshan. I welcome all of you for the third type of problem of alligation mixture. I hope you are aware that this is a universal shortcut because you can use it into multiple of the topic of quantitative aptitude. On the top of it, this can be used in almost all the examination of the quantitative aptitude. So whenever we talk about the third type, before that, let me give you a brief idea what we covered in type 1 and type 2. Type 1 was about a kind of a question where I was dealing with either finding n1 is to n2 or we'll be finding individual value of n1 or n2. So whenever we have to find this one off, always in the question we have a1, a2 and aw given. Don't worry that what all things are a1, a2, aw, don't worry about this. I'll define all those things again in this video. This was my type 1 problem according to our definition. Then we in the video 2 we have discussed about type 2 problem. Type 2 problem we were finding aw. This is what we have to find in entire question. For this question, I hope everyone able to understand a1, a2 were given. Along with that, n1 is to n2 or n1, n2 are also given. So this was my type 2. So if I talk about my type 3 problem, I need to find either a1 or a2. These two I have to find, either this or this. So for this question, you'll be always given with aw in the question along with n1 and n2. Along with this, either a1 will be given or a2 will be given. When a1 will be given, you have to find a2. Whenever a2 will be given, you have to find a1. So I hope everyone, if you remember from the previous class, those who attended, a1 is nothing but rate value. Rate value means I mean to say that something of form a by b. Example, I'm talking about something like speed. I'm talking about something like percentages. I'm talking something like averages or ratios or even prices. So this can be even used in terms of rate value of compound interest. So all the rate values are simple interest for that reason. All the rate values are categorized as A1, A2, A3. That depending upon the question, which topic question, what all part of question they're asking. Before we start the class for the day, I want you people to assess yourself that where do you stand. These are the 3 questions. I'll give you 2 minutes of time. Let me see how many can beat the time. Tell me in the comment box how much time you have taken to solve it. If you're not able to solve any one of the questions, let me know. I'll be coming up with a proper video for the solution of it. Okay, so let's start the topic for the day.
Before that, if you want more videos on SkillBout like this one, don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel.
4:5. He mixed it with another weight in the ratio 4:5. If cost of the mixture is 30 rupees per kilogram. If cost of the mixture is rupees 30 per kilogram, then what was the cost of second variety? Always come back and draw the diagram. My diagram will be something like this. Type, 2 type, both of them are mixed together to get the third type. I hope you remember in the previous type also I said this very clearly. Alligation will be used only in the condition when 2 things are mixed to produce the third one. Fine. Now, what is given here? They have given the price of the mixture very loud and clear. That is how much? 30 rupees per kilogram. They have also given the price of, yes, they given price of first type. For 11 kilogram, 275 rupees. So I'm writing it here, 11 kilogram, 275. So can I say that for 1 kilogram, it will be 25 rupees? Can I say like this? So can I say that this price one is given is how much? 25 rupees per kilogram. The price of the mixture is given as 30 rupees per kilogram. This one I don't know. Let's call it as X. And what else is given? Here they're given the ratio. What is the ratio they're given? I hope you can see that. Ratio is given is 4:5. How to solve, sir? Very easy. If you understood type 2, this is byproduct of type 2. See this. Draw the diagram. What is the first one, sir? 25. What is the second one, sir? I don't know. What is the middle value, sir? 30. What is the ratio, sir? 4:5. This value has to be equal to 4. Whichever side is not given, like this side is not given here. See to this very carefully. This is very, very, very important for my people. See to this. Whichever side is not given, ignore that
quantity. Ignore this quantity. Whichever side is given, compare from here. Can I compare that? N2 will be equal to AW minus A1. What is AW minus A1? That is AW minus A1. And again, I'm saying I'm only worried about the quantity. So don't worry about the sign. So N2 is how much? 5. And 5 is equal to 5. Because 5 is equal to 5 means both sides are same. Whenever both sides are same, I can directly write 5 on the top. When 5 is equal to 5, then 4 has to be equal to 4. I am on the 30. Am I moving in the positive direction? Yes. So this will become how much? 34. Your answer will be 34.
Okay, that's all from my end for this video. Thank you very much for listening to me. Stay safe and happy learning.